Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix unable to install app error on iPhone. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, go to your iPhone setting. So guys, first method, turn off connected Wi-Fi or mobile data and turn on air and scroll down. Now tap on General and scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and tap on Reset and tap on Reset Location and Privacy and enter passcode and click on Reset Settings and go back. So guys, next method, now tap on Date and Time and turn on Set Automatically and turn off 20 hours time and go back. And so guys, turn off airplane mode and turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. So guys, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. So guys, after doing all these steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comments and share. Thank you.